Do you have multiple vendors on your WooCommerce store? Are you looking for ways to show shipping rates separately for each vendor at the checkout? If you are using one of our ELEX shipping plugins, we have something exciting for you. The WooCommerce Multi-vendor support for ELEX shipping plugins is a simple add-on to our ELEX shipping plugins, which will help you display shipping charges for each vendor separately. The add-on will also allow you to send shipping labels to the vendors of their respective packages. In this video, we will see how to set up WooCommerce Multi-vendor support add-on for ELEX shipping plugins. This add-on is compatible with major multiple vendor plugins like WooCommerce Product Vendors, Dokan Multi-vendor plugin, and WooCommerce plugin. The prerequisites for the setup are 3 plugins: the ELEX WooCommerce Multi-vendor add-on, and one of ELEX's shipping plugins. For this demonstration, we have used ELEX WooCommerce Easy Post Shipping plugin. We also need one Product Vendor plugin. For demonstration purpose, we have used WooCommerce Product Vendors plugin. If you don't have vendor profiles, you can go ahead and create some in your site. For our case, we have created 2 vendors called Happy Styles and Woo Stores. We have also assigned products to these vendors. The WooCommerce Product Vendors plugin provides the setting in each product settings. You can refer the documentation of the respective multi-vendor plugin on creating vendor profiles and assigning products to them. Once this setup is done, configure the ELEX shipping plugin. In our case, the ELEX WooCommerce Easy Post Shipping plugin. Follow the link in the video description to read the product documentation for configuring this plugin. After you have configured your ELEX shipping plugin and product vendor plugin, it is now time to set up the multi-vendor add-on. You can find the ELEX multi-vendor add-on settings in a separate tab in the WooCommerce settings, in this way. The very first setting allows you to choose how you want to display the shipping rates. You can choose to display consolidated shipping charges, where the shipping charges of all the vendors will be added for each shipping service and shown as consolidated. When customers add 2 products from different vendors, here's how the consolidated shipping charges looks like. You can also notice that the vendor names are not specified in the cart. When the store admin chooses the other option, that is to display the shipping charges separately for each vendor, customers can see the shipping charges for each vendor separately in the cart, in this way. They can select the desired shipping service for their packages and place the order. In the next settings of the add-on, you can choose to accept respective shipping carrier API keys from the vendor. If this setting is unchecked, the store owner has to enter the shipping carrier API key in the Easy Post Shipping plugin. If you want vendors to use their own API keys, you can enable this setting. Once this setting is enabled, vendors can enter their respective Easy Post API key in their WordPress user profiles in this way. The Easy Post plugin will use this specified API key of the vendor to return respective shipping rates. The last setting allows you to email the generated shipping labels to vendors. When shipments are created by the store administrator, the vendors will receive the shipping labels of their respective packages via email. After a customer places an order with multiple packages from different vendors, the store admins can proceed with generating packages. Next, they can review the packages, update the shipping service if they want, and proceed with the shipment creation. Once the shipment is successfully created, each vendor will get a copy of the shipping label in the email. If the store admins want the vendors to create the shipments, they can assign this capabilities using any WordPress user role capabilities plugin. The store admins can also view the generated label here. Here's a sample shipping label from EasyPost. The shipper address printed here is the address provided by the respective vendor in the WordPress user profile. And here's another shipping label with a different vendor address. Hence, in this way, you can improve your multi-vendor setup for your customers, with our WooCommerce Multi-Vendor Support for ELEX Shipping Plugins. If you don't have the add-on, go purchase it today from elextensions.com. Go follow us on our social media channels, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos related to WordPress and WooCommerce.